Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we simplify finance for everyone from all walks of life. Today we're diving into the world of investment with a topic that might sound complex, but fear not, we'll break it down to its simplest form. All right, let's talk about alternative investment funds, or AIFs. Imagine you have a piggy bank where you usually put your money to save it. Well, an AIF is like a special type of piggy bank, but instead of just holding coins and notes, it holds different kinds of investments. These investments can be in things like companies, like the one that makes your favorite toys, or maybe even in buildings, like the one you live in or your school. Basically, instead of just keeping your money in one place, an AIF spreads it out into different things to help it grow. Now, why would someone want to put their money in an AIF? Well, it's because they want their money to grow faster than if it were just sitting in a regular piggy bank. But remember, just like how you have to be careful with your piggy bank, you also have to be careful with AIFs because they come with risks too. That's why it's important for grown-ups to learn about AIFs and other types of investments so they can make smart choices with their money. And don't worry, we'll be here to help you understand it all every step of the way. Well, that's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And remember, no matter how old you are, it's never too early or too late to start learning about managing your money. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.